But first up tonight, we're watching a new tropical storm. Chief meteorologist Dennis Phillips joins us now. And Dennis, the question is, should Florida be concerned about Paula?
You know, Jameson, never say never, and I certainly can't write it off based on where it's located, but it seems very unlikely that it's actually going to have an opportunity to really ramp up and affect Florida. It may do one or the other, but I don't think both together. So let's check it out. Satellite picture shows still what looks to be a rather ragged system, but recon has been flying in and actually found a stronger system than they originally anticipated. This is actually pretty close to becoming a hurricane, if you can believe it. Winds of 60 miles an hour. It's moving northwest at 9. Now, I want you to watch the track because this is rather interesting. Goes off to the northwest as a hurricane, and then it just meanders and eventually goes south down into the Caribbean. Now, that is huge in terms of the state of Florida. If it were to linger in this area long enough, it would miss a trough and then could have an opportunity to develop and come closer to us. That seems pretty unlikely, given normally when a tropical system hangs over a certain area, it eventually cools the water and weakens it. But still, Hurricane Center says, and I agree with them, you can't completely write it off, especially when the spaghetti models are all over the place with this. So again, certainly a possibility this could become a hurricane. We doubt it'll have a direct impact on Florida at this point in time, but it may bring some rain to South Florida and maybe even some clouds in our neck of the woods.